let's go get us a hamburger. Every time we'd start to go anywhere, he would just act like he wanted to go with us. So I says to Robert, he acts like he wants to go. Why don't we fix the car so he can get in and out? He says, okay, good idea. So we fixed the car, and sure enough, next time we went to town, he hops in and sits down, and he's ready to go. Let's go get us a cheeseburger. He does just like he's riding in the car. He's watching the scenery go by. Oh yeah, it's definitely he's definitely expression, you know, watching the scenery. We would be out riding him around in the car, and we would get hungry, and we'd want us a hamburger. And when we'd pull in to get one, well, naturally, the first thing we thought about was Patches. I reckon he would like one. Hello.
How may I help you?
Let me see what Patches wants. What do you want, Patches? You want some cheeseburgers? Yeah, you want? Okay.
Will that be all for y'all today?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. That'll be all.
Please put to the window. Hello. 2423.
Hey. Thank you. He has ate as high as 5 cheeseburgers. Yeah. And, but no, he don't care much for Coke. He'll drink apple juice. He loves apple juice. He really likes TV. He likes that a lot. But he likes Westerns. Okay, go get the beer, Patches. Go get us beer. I'm probably the guilty one for that. I drink. So I'll send him to the fridge to get me a beer. So he'll open the fridge and reach in and get a beer and bring it to me. Bring it here. Bring me a beer. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it over here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you, Patches. Thank you, Patches. He answers the phone. Oh, it's for you. But he doesn't actually talk. You can put the phone up to his mouth and he moves his lips. There's no other horse like Patches. Patches is one of a kind. All right. Come on, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here. Here it is. Get it. Get it. Here. Good night, Patches.